just wanted to stop what I was doing really quick and bring you the little decor I told you I purchased. And I purchased this small little wicker basket. I didn't intend for it to be this small. However, I can use it for my bathroom trash. I thought it was cute. I have this here. Oh, and that came from Taobao. I just recently did the beginning of a Taobao haul. Matter of fact, let me just do all the Taobao stuff. So that's one. Okay, so I purchased these like small yarn simply because I wanted to kind of do, like I said, the boho. So I'm going to insert a picture of exactly what I'm trying to make, and so that way you can see why I purchased this. So yeah, I purchased all these different colors so that way I can do the design. I can't, what is it called? Like, not tapestry, but anyway, yeah. So I purchased this like cloth. It's probably drowning out, but I'll put a picture of it. But you can see that it's quite big, and it has the different countries, kind of like it has the countries, but it kind of looks like an old school map, and I just think that is very dope. I bought this fabric as well. I'm not quite sure what to do with it, but I will show you a picture of the suggestion. Now the fabric here, this print, which you can see is very Native American inspired. So, and it's very big. It's much bigger than I really thought from looking at the picture, as you can see. However, I have 3 godchildren, and it's so funny because I have 2 little girls, 1, 2, and then now I have a little boy, and I just thought that was dope because I was just like, as you can see in the picture, they suggested kind of like little stuff things or whatever, and I just thought that would be cool because like it will represent like my godparents. Alright, so I'm almost done. Just have some clothes here I need to put up. I have a hanging wardrobe there to put up. My plant is still chilling in the corner, but the plant will go here. Hopefully in the future I can purchase another plant. I want a hanging one here, and I want a hanging one here as well. I just recently purchased on Taobao like a little extension part, so hopefully that'll be here in a couple days. I want to see if I can find like a mirror here because, you know, I need to get my Instagram up. And then I'm not quite sure. I feel like I want to put the map in this area. However, I'm going to put this up and then I'll be done. And then I'll kind of give you a montage of the finished cleaning experience here. But if I don't say it, then thank you for watching this video. Once again, you know, hit the subscribe button if you are not subscribed. And yeah, look forward to more videos and all that good stuff. So thank you for watching. You have a wonderful day.
your basic average girl, and I'm here to save the world. You can't stop me cause I'm impossible.